Hello everyone, you're welcome to another English language class. Today in our lesson we'll be looking at synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and antonyms. What do we mean by synonyms? Synonyms are those words that have the same or similar meaning. Similar means they are almost the same. They are very close to each other. So synonyms are those words that have either the same or similar meaning. The meanings are close, very close. And they can often be used to replace each other. I use often here because it's not every time that you can always replace one word with a synonym, with a word with a synonym. So, but most times you can replace them. Okay, so an example here is big and large. When something is big, it also means that thing is large. So antonyms, what are antonyms? These are words that are opposite in meaning. The antonym of a word is the word that means the opposite of the other word. Okay, it means what the other word is not. The opposite of a word means what that word is not. For example, tall and short. Tall and short. If somebody is tall, the person cannot be short at the same time. Or if somebody is short, the person can't be tall at the same time. So one means what the other is not. Okay, we're going to look at some more examples of both synonyms and antonyms. But first, we need to understand what synonyms are and what antonyms are. Synonyms, they mean the same thing or almost the same thing, while antonyms mean the opposite. They mean opposite of each other. So some examples are here. We have words, synonyms, that is the same meaning or almost the same meaning. And then we have antonyms, which is opposite in meaning, what the words are not. So the first word here is pretty. Another word for pretty is beautiful. You can say she's pretty, she's beautiful. And then the opposite is ugly. So somebody that is pretty or beautiful cannot be ugly. Antonym is what the word cannot be. So ugly is the opposite of pretty and beautiful. So another word here is big. So big or large, they are synonyms. They mean almost the same thing. They mean the same thing. And then small is the opposite of big and large. Rich, another word that means the same thing as rich, is wealthy. And the opposite is poor. A man that is rich or somebody that is rich cannot be poor at the same time. So bad, another word for bad is evil. And the opposite of bad is good. Take is the next example. Another word that means the same thing as take is receive. And then the opposite is give. You take, the opposite of take is give. So we look at some more examples. So some more examples. We have clever. Another word that means the same thing as clever is intelligent. And then the opposite of clever and intelligent is dull or unintelligent. The next word here is wicked. Wicked. Another word that means the same thing as wicked could be mean or similar in meaning. Remember we said they are the same or similar in meaning. So a word that is close in meaning to wicked is mean. And then the opposite is kind. The next one here is love. Love, a word that is like love or close to love, is like. Or you can say adore. I love ice cream. I like ice cream, or I adore ice cream. Okay, and then the opposite of love is hate. I hate ice cream. And then the last one here is buy. To buy something. Buy, you can say I buy or I purchase. To buy means the same thing as to purchase. And then the opposite is sell. Opposite of buy is sell. There are a lot more examples, but we just put this out this way. Words similar in meaning or same meaning, and then the opposite. We put them together out here so that you'll be able to tell the difference. Okay, so I hope you have learned something today, because this is where we are calling it a day. We hope to see you again same time next week. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe.